Desmond, say hi. It's Infinite Nerdism here. Got these Rick and Morty Blips and Chitz boxes. $29.99. Got them here. Boom, boom. So of course these had Rick and Morty in the chair, and then you can also get Roy. So we're gonna open these up and see which ones we got. Rick and Morty. He loves Rick and Morty. So we're gonna open these up. Yeah, here we go. So we're gonna open this up, see what we got. You see it? You see it? Ooh. So we got Rick. That's a song, Rick and Morty song. So we got Rick and Roy. So that's a good sign. I did want Roy. We got the blue Blips and Chitz pin there. It has what looks like little stickers. That's cool. A pair of socks, Blips and Chitz socks. That's cool. And I know there's like a little keychain. He's excited about it. There's a little keychain thing in here from Blips Michael. So that's awesome. So that's the first one. So we did good on this one, Rick and Roy. So that means this other one, we have to get a Morty. We do have to get a Morty, Desmond. You ready? Yeah. All right. So we're hoping for a Morty. If we get a Morty, it's been a good day. You ready, Des?
Yeah, make a Morty.
Yeah, let's go. Yes. So, push this back. We got Morty and a second Rick, and then we got the other Blips and Chitz, the red one. It's focused? I don't know. So we got the blue one and the red one. Same socks. I'm assuming it's going to be the same. Yeah, looks like the same little stickers that's on there. And then same thing from Blips Michael, little keychain. So it's been a good day. Rick, Morty, and Roy. Thanks for watching. Follow me at Infinite Nerdism down here. And say bye, Des.
Make a Morty.
Rick and Morty. All right. Take care.